on the way to my financial planner right now, and I just wanted to go over the new credit card, Chase Freedom. This is going to be the most in-depth review of the Chase Freedom card, and if you find any better review of it, please let me know in the comments below, because I've spent a whole day reading every single piece of information about this credit card after receiving it in the mail. There's like a huge list of all of your benefits and everything you need to know in here. I've read every part of it. Those of you who are not too familiar with the credit cards, when you receive your credit card, this outlines your main terms of your credit card. This Chase credit card currently has 0% APR for 15 months and 25% after that. You only pay interest. It says your due date will be a minimum of 21 days after the close of each billing cycle. We will not charge your interest on purchases if you pay your entire balance by the due date each month. Basically, as long as you pay off your full balance by the due date, you won't be charged interest. No annual membership fee, guys. There's a 3% balance transfer transaction fee. You get 0% interest on balance transfers, but you pay 3% for transferring the balance. On $1,000, you would pay $30. There's a late payment penalty fee of up to $38. Over credit limit, there's no fee. If you go over your credit, they won't charge you. They'll just decline your card and not charge you a fee for that. That's the main terms. Now I'm going to go into a full in-depth review of all of your benefits of the Chase Freedom card. The whole point of this review is so that you guys can save the most money with your credit card and make the most money with your credit card and not pay anything. What I like about this card, Chase provides you with a really nice, easy to read, welcome to Chase Freedom, your card member agreement brochure. A simple, frequently asked questions and answers for you to review if you ever have any questions. This covers almost everything. There's 2 brochures with benefits. This, your guide to benefits, is the main key document to all of your credit card benefits. We're going to talk about auto rental collision damage waiver. As you know, this means that you don't have to pay extra when you rent a car. This credit card includes it for free. Usually that insurance is $10 to $30 per day. Another benefit of Chase Freedom card, you get purchase protection. That means whenever you purchase something with this credit card, if there's an involuntary accidental parting with your property, if it's lost or stolen by accident, you will be covered 120 days after the purchase with purchase protection. They'll either replace, repair, or reimburse you up to the maximum of $500 for each claim and up to $50,000 for each account. The next benefit, roadside dispatch. This is not the same exactly as your car insurance roadside assistance, because most of those will cover all the expenses up to a certain amount. They'll usually cover towing up to $40, $50. Each program is different, so you have to refer to those terms of that program. Usually they cover the expense up to a certain amount. Now, the services that the program provides are standard towing, tire changing, jump starting, lockout service, fuel delivery, and standard winching if you get stuck in a ditch somewhere. The next benefit, travel and emergency assistance service. You are a cardholder of an eligible card, or your spouse and children under 22 years old are also eligible to use these services as well. This covers you and your children. Basically provide you with a private assistant concierge service that will handle all the phone calls, planning, making all the arrangements, appointments for you. All you do is you pay the professionals that are helping you. Emergency message service. They can record and relay emergency messages for travelers or their immediate family members or business associates. A medical referral assistance provides medical referral monitoring and follow-up. The benefit administrator can give you names of local English-speaking doctors, dentists, and hospitals, assign a doctor to consult by phone with local medical personnel if necessary, to monitor your condition, help you arrange medical payments from your personal account. Legal referral assistance can arrange contact with English-speaking attorneys in U.S. embassies and consulates if you're detained by local authorities, have a car accident, or need legal assistance. In addition, the benefit administrator can coordinate bail payment from your personal account. The benefit administrator can also follow up to make sure bail has been properly handled. Can help you make all the necessary arrangements for emergency transportation home or to the nearest medical facility. This includes arranging to bring your young children home and helping you stay in contact with family members or employees during the emergency. Emergency ticket replacement helps you through your carrier's lost ticket reimbursement process and assists you in delivery of a replacement ticket to you should you lose your ticket. Emergency translation services provides telephone assistance in all major languages and helps find local interpreters if available when you need more extensive assistance. Pre-trip assistance can give you information on your destination before you leave, such as ATM locations, currency exchange rates, weather reports, health precautions, necessary immunizations, and required passport visas. This is great. You don't need to have an assistant. You can just have Chase Freedom Card to handle the whole thing for you. They don't charge you anything unless there's a service fee. Then you have to pay the professionals yourself. But they handle all of the arrangements for you. All the phone calls, all the research for you. Trip cancellation and trip interruption. What is trip cancellation? Trip cancellation reimburses the prepaid non-refundable passenger fare paid for a trip up to the benefit maximum if a loss provides you or your spouse, domestic partner, or dependent children from traveling on or before the departure date and results in cancellation of the travel arrangements. If trip cancellation occurs, the company will reimburse you for the prepaid non-refundable portion of the amount charged to you or your account for the passenger fare up to $1,500 for each covered person per trip, up to a maximum of $6,000 for all people. Trip interruption reimburses you for non-refundable passenger fares if a loss causes interruption of the trip on the way to the point of departure or after the departure of the trip, or if there is any change to the date and time of pre-scheduled uncanceled travel arrangements. If a trip interruption occurs, the company will reimburse you for the prepaid non-refundable portion of the amount charged to your account for passenger fares up to $1,500. So these are the main benefits of the Chase Freedom Card. You can find it in this pamphlet that comes with your card. You have 5% cash back, 1% unlimited cash back on every purchase. 5% cash back is on select categories. Each quarter it changes and you have to activate it on your app. So that would be, right now it's groceries and home improvement, for example. Right now, this quarter you get 5% cash back on all groceries and home improvement expenses. Also, if you shop through Chase, you can earn 1 through 5% cash back on purchases through their website. To redeem your cash back, you can redeem it for cash back. You can get cash out of an ATM, you guys, with a small fee. I think it's 10%. You can redeem it for gift cards. You can shop at Amazon with your points or cash back. You can use it on travel purchases. This card comes with zero liability protection. If your card gets lost or stolen and there's a fraudulent or unauthorized charges on your card, you can get reimbursed for 100% of those charges, you guys. Purchase protection. And within 120 days against damage or theft, up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. Whenever you buy a product at a store and they ask you if you want to purchase that extended warranty, you can tell them no. Your Chase Freedom Card covers it for an additional year. All right, so the meeting went well. I'm back home now, and I just wanted to finish going over all these valuable benefits that you will benefit from by having this card. One other benefit that a lot of people might not be aware of when they have this card is you have 24/7 fraud monitoring. The Chase website has a monitoring feature. You're notified instantly if anything looks suspicious on your account, any suspicious activity, they'll notify you immediately by text or email. You got to set up your notifications to your liking. And the next benefit is credit journey from Chase. I'm pretty sure all of the cards with Chase are providing this feature, so you can see your free credit score at any time from almost anywhere. They have a free credit monitoring app too on their app or website. Make sure when you get your card in the mail, you review it, because there's a lot of rules. Like, for example, when you earn cash back, it tells you exactly how much your points are worth. It's every 100 points is worth $1. There's details about how to activate your 5% cashback bonus. There's details about how you could be prohibited from earning points and how you could lose your points. So you guys should be aware of all those things, especially if you're in some kind of unique situation. You should definitely reference this to get answers and know exactly what is going to be expected and how to handle it the best way for you. Don't forget to keep this around or check it online if you ever have any questions, any specific details you need to make sure you make the best decisions that are in your benefit. I'm about to give you the last 2 ways to make money with the Chase Freedom Card. If you spend $500 within 3 months, you will earn an extra $150 signing bonus just for signing up on the link below. By the way, I just wanted to point out to those of you who are new to credit cards, try not to use your credit card responsibly. Of course, with something like a credit card, it's kind of like a double-edged sword. It can either be good for you or bad for you. So you want to make sure you always use it responsibly, only use it on things you would normally be spending money on no matter what. And the other thing the last benefit I want to tell you, another way you can make money with this card, just by telling your friends and family about this card. Chase will pay you $50 for every person that you refer to this card. You can make up to $500 with this card just by referring people that you know. If you refer your friends or family members and they sign up, you'll get $50 per person, up to 10 friends. If you refer 10 people, you'll make $500 with this card. If you guys thought this video brought you a lot of value and it was very helpful to you, then you should definitely subscribe, because I have a lot more videos coming your way. So subscribe and you'll be notified when there's credit card reviews and other financial videos to help you with your finances and health and happiness. If you guys want to learn more about credit scores, I have a course you can sign up for below. That course is a really good, thorough summary of all the most important things you need to know about your credit score, monitoring your credit score, repairing your credit score, and how to improve your credit score so that you can get the most out of it. Hey guys, I hope this video brought you a lot of value and was very informative.